Hey guys, I have some awesome news for you. And the fabulous news is, well, I actually have two. Let's start out with the first one. So, I got a blind box. Second news is, I got a camera stand and it works pretty awesome. Wow, see, I have this little camera stand. And here, I can unlatch it. Whoa! Now I gotta string it. Move everything in the background, which that was stupid of me not to move it. Oopsies. So let's open the blind. Oh my god, I got a flipping camel. Oh, I almost called it a camel. Whatever. I got a freaking camel. I've been wanting this camel for like ever. It's so awesome. I am obsessed with it. And it's so cute. Oh, I have a camel. Yeah. It's really cute, and it even has this on it. I love it. It's so realistic. All the pets are basically so realistic, and I like how Hasbro does it. It's really cute. The only thing really different about their eyes is that, like those little lines across their eyes, and that blue dot right there. And then that star, I guess you could fill it in with something. This star isn't as great. I think they messed up on this one, or it didn't dry too well. It didn't dry too well. Because look at this star. They're different. But it's so cute and I love it. What should I name him? Okay guys, so what should I name this awesome camel? What should I name him? So you comment down below what I should name him. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on Monday. Toodles!